In square breathing, we're going to divide your breath into 4 parts: inhalation, holding, exhaling, and then waiting without breathing. We'll do each of those parts for 4 seconds each. Your job is to only do what feels most comfortable for you, so adjust and take breaks anytime you need to. Let's do one together. Ready? So breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and then hold it. Now exhale, 2, 3, 4, and then wait, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Let's do some more. Ready? Breathing in, hold it, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, and wait, 2, 3. Now breathe in, hold it, exhale, and wait, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, hold it, you're doing great, let it go, and wait, 2, 3, 4. Breath in, hold, exhale, and wait. A few more. In, hold it, let it go, and wait, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, hold it, now let it go, and wait, 2, 3. One more time. Breath in, hold it, let it go, and wait, 2, 3, 4. Breathe at your own pace. Take a short break. Notice how you're feeling in your mind and in your body after just a little bit of controlled breathing. Now, if you'd like, we'll do one more round. Get ready. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Exhale. And then wait. And now breathe in. Hold it. Exhale. And wait, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, hold it, exhale, and wait, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, hold it, exhale, and wait. Breath in, hold, out, and wait. 2 more. Breath in, hold it, exhale, and wait. Last time. Breath in, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Exhale. And wait. 2, 3, 4. And just relax. Take a breath in. Let it go. Notice your mind. Notice your body. Nice work.